Namaste! Welcome to the second day of the 7-day meditation challenge. Let's begin right away, and remember, use a prop or a cushion to find a comfortable seat. And before we start, let's do a few shoulder rolls to release some tension. So place your fingertips on your shoulders and draw circles with your elbows. Reverse direction and release. Place your right hand on top of your left, resting your hands in your lap. Lengthen your spine, especially the back of your neck. Relax your shoulders, your jaw, your face, while maintaining a tall position. Feel free to close your eyes or keep your eyes about 1/10 open. And let's settle in. Tune into your body with an open mind. Just notice how you're doing right now. No judgment, just noticing. Observe your breath. And let's all take a nice deep cleansing breath in through the nose. Send the air deep down into your belly, ribcage and chest. Exhale, empty yourself out from top to bottom. Chest, ribcage, belly go in towards the spine. Do 2 more. With each exhale, you're centering yourself more and more, letting go of everything you don't need right now, this moment. And when you're done, just allow your breath to be. I will guide you in Hamsa meditation, which is a wonderful meditation to feel peaceful and joyful and to connect ourselves with our essence. I'll walk you step by step through the whole meditation. Let's begin. Visualize there's a ball of light laying at the base of your spine. And as you inhale, see this ball of light moving up your spine all the way to the crown of your head. And as you exhale, this ball of light descends all the way down towards your tailbone. Inhale, this ball of light moves up the spine. Exhale, this ball of light moves down the spine. Follow your breath. If you notice you're getting distracted, just gently bring your focus back to the visualization and your breath. On the in-breath, the ball of light travels up the spine, and on the out-breath, this ball of light travels down to the base of your spine. We will continue this visualization, and now we're going to add a mantra. As you inhale and the ball of light rises, think to yourself, hum. Exhale, the ball of light descends, think to yourself, sa. So as you inhale, the ball of light goes up, think hum. Exhale, the ball of light travels down, think to yourself, sa. Inhale, hum. Exhale, sa. Hum means transformation, and sa means pure consciousness. Try to focus more on the vibration of this mantra, the feeling of it. Continue for about a minute on your own. So as you inhale, think hum, ball of light goes up the spine. Exhale, sa, ball of light goes down the spine. And slowly we'll come to an end. Take one more breathing cycle and finish with an exhale, visualizing the ball of light at the base of your spine. Stay with the sensation on your lower body. Feel your feet, your legs. Where's your body touching the floor or the chair? And then take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel yourself from bottom to top. Deep exhale, top to bottom. Allow your breath to be and tune in. Notice how you feel right now compared to when we started. And let's finish. Touch the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. And take your hands in prayer position. You can rub your hands together. Feel the heat between your palms. And bring the heels of your hands over the eyes. Feel the warmth of your hands on your eyes, your forehead. And slowly slide your hands down your cheeks, your jaw, your neck. You can gently massage your neck, your shoulders. Slowly bring your palms onto your thighs. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Whenever you're ready, flutter your eyes open and take in the colors of your mat, your room. Thank you so much for joining me today in this meditation. May this be a blessing to you and may it ripple out into the rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my meditation, then sign up now for my free guide to stress-free mornings. The link is right down below. Just click on it, sign up, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.